This makeover is part of a series where I gave 3 completely different sets of nightstands the same dramatic black finish. I tracked my costs, time spent, and then listed them all at the same price and waited to see which one would sell the quickest. Hi, I'm Lana, and together, let's make something beautiful, something made for you.
At first, I thought I'd be able to restore this set of mid-century teak nightstands, but once I started sanding, I realized the veneer was just too thin with spots worn through. So I decided to transform them into sleek black contenders for this series instead. After sanding everything back, I mixed some DAP filler with water and brushed it across the tops, drawers, and sides. Once it dried, I sanded smooth, wiped away the dust, and primed. The primer revealed a few spots that still needed work, so I patched those with filler mixed with black primer. Once that was sanded back, I rolled on my first coat of paint. In order to get the finish silky and smooth, I wet sanded before applying the final coat. For the hardware, I chose edge-mounted pulls. The first one took a while to get lined up and screwed in correctly, which it always does. But after that, I found my rhythm. Just for fun, I timed myself on the final one, and sure enough, I was much quicker once I had the process down. Next, I moved on to the drawers. I decided to go with 2 different peel and stick wallpaper patterns. I lined the bottom 2 drawers with a black and white houndstooth pattern, and the top drawer with a colorful, funky, botanical print. I cut each liner with my ruler and cutter for crisp edges, then applied them slowly, peeling back just one section of the backing along the side to anchor it, and then smoothing the rest back with a microfiber cloth as I unrolled it. And here they are, mid-century teak nightstands completely transformed into modern black bedsides. Smooth painted finish, streamlined black hardware, and some very bold drawer liners.
Stay tuned to find out which one is the winner. As each video is posted, I'll make sure to provide the link in the description. I was actually pretty surprised by the results. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to let me know you want more videos like this one.